All right, so this is a outdoor post light. Special thanks to the company for sending this my way. Now, this is basically what it would look like. A little bit of some specs here on the side. Water resistant. It requires a E26 bulb at a max of 100 watts, and the bulb is not included. Includes a mount for pier and a post mount, so you can mount it two different ways, and it is hardwired. Another photo. All right, let's open this on up. We're gonna lay it on down. We've got a nice user's guide here, which should tell you everything you need to know about installing it and exactly what the product does, outside of my video telling you that. Then we have, so this one's white. So we have some screws here, like these little ones here are for the caps, once you put the cap on. This is the big one. This will go right on top. It'll have to be put on the actual lid. You'll manually do that. And then the rest of these are screws and wire nuts for mounting and hooking this up. So let's pull this one on out. That's it for the box. And then got this little bit of tape. And now it should just open up. Yeah, there we go. So there's our top, post mount, and the actual outdoor lantern. All right, so let's take out the post mount first. You can see this is just for putting it on like a post if you had a pole in your yard, so you could have the lantern. Very nice look, I think. This is the top part of the lantern, which you can see that very nice white color to it. And as I mentioned, this hole here would be filled with this here, and then you would use these two holes here, these two tiny screws here to mount it to this. And then here's the full lantern. Look at that. So you're protected by glass on all three sides. Depending on how you install it, whether you install it this way, you'd be able to just put your bulb in and then put your top on. Or of course, if you install it this way, you can still do the same thing. So that's kind of what the top looks like. You can see there's your screws and everything. And they've got all these cables all up here and ready to go for you, where you can just tie them right in. Included orange wire nuts. They give you 3 of them, of course, and use this thing exactly as you would want. So to give you an idea, it would look essentially something like this. So very nice white color, very nice feeling made product. It feels strong. Like, I mean, I don't feel like I could break this unless I really was hitting it hard with something. So very nice product though. That's what it looks like. Again, special thanks to the company for sending this to me so I could create an unboxing for you guys. This is what you could get with this white outdoor post lantern.